Well, hi, Piper. Are you sitting here next to your packing material again? Hmm? Oh, I like the way that she really appreciates her packing material. Yeah, most people just pull it out of a box and throw it away. But Piper knows what to do with it. Yeah, that's a nice toy. It's a nice thing to lay next to. It's a nice thing to crawl around in. Yeah, you get the full experience out of it, don't you? Yeah, you appreciate things that most people don't. Oh, look at that face. What a cutie. Okay, baby. Oh, you're such a sweet one. Yeah. See, she's checking it all out. Yeah, she makes sure that it's in good shape. Look at that. She just loves that. That's a nice place to keep an eye on things in the office from, isn't it? Yeah?